Hello friends, I am Anvesha and I welcome all of you to this channel Aspiring Banker Anvesha. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel and also click the bell icon to get notified for the upcoming videos. I make videos on English for bank exams, and in this video today I will solve a live mock test on English for you. I will solve only the English section of SBI Clerk Prelims mock test and show you how to solve the English section. A brief about me: I have cleared IBPS PO 2020 and I have scored 30 out of 30 in IBPS PO Prelims 2020 and 34 out of 40 in IBPS PO Mains 2020. So here I will share my strategy with you. Okay, and every day on Unacademy I conduct free live sessions. So please join the session. Tomorrow there will be a session at 9:30 AM in which I will discuss prelims level questions for SBI Clerk Prelims examination. So make sure that you join the session. Okay, the link is given in the description box. Click the link, use the coupon code Annie if you use Unacademy for the first time for unlocking this free session. Okay. Unacademy is going to launch some new batches on 26th of May. Now these are the names of the best educators. So this batch is for SBI Clerk 2021. This is for CET 2021. And these batches are for SBI PO and IBPS PO exams. So let me tell you the benefits of subscribing to Unacademy Plus. Firstly, you get full coverage of the syllabus in a topic-wise manner. There are many practice sessions both for prelims and for mains. Then you get unlimited access to all the live classes, so only one subscription covers all your bank exams. You get PDF study material after each session. You get weekly quiz and mega quiz with each course, and also there are dedicated doubt clearing sessions. Then you have unlimited access to tests. So these are all the batches. So every Sunday Unacademy conducts a free scholarship test which is called Unacademy Combat. If your rank is good in the test, you can win a 1 year plus subscription for free, and then depending on your rank you can get a discount on the plus subscription. Right now an offer is going on which is going to end on 26th of May. That is, if you buy a 1 year subscription you get 2 months free, and if you buy a 2 year subscription you get 4 months free. Unacademy has launched a bank ultimate test offer. In this test series you get 100 plus full length mock tests and 400 plus sectional tests, with 50 new tests being added every month. So this test series is available for free to all the plus subscribers. So if you want to subscribe to Unacademy Plus, this is the right time. Do it now, because an offer is going on which is going to end on 26th of May. The offer is that if you buy a 1 year subscription you get 2 months for free, and if you buy a 2 year subscription you get 4 months for free. Now also there is one more offer going on, that is with your bank exams you can also take subscription for RBI and NABARD exams, okay, with a minimum price, okay, by paying a minimum cost you can take this combo pack. So if you want to subscribe to Unacademy Plus, please use the coupon code Annie for a 10% discount on the subscription cost. For 6, 12 and 24 months of subscription, no cost EMI is also available. Now the offer is going to end today, so please take the offer if you want to subscribe to it. Don't delay it. Okay. So I will take a free mock test of SBI Clerk. Okay. So here I'll take SBI Clerk Prelims free test. Okay, English. So I will take the test of only the English section, not of any other section. So at first RC is there, so I'll skip it for now. But in the RC I can do the vocabulary questions. It says, which of the following words is opposite in meaning to the word enhanced? Enhanced: deducted, scrutinized, reaped, impaired and perpetrated. So opposite of enhanced will be impaired, that is damaged. Closest in meaning to the word undermine. Undermine means criticized, to defame. Defame, ignite, diminish, halt and recline. Okay, so I have to look at the paragraph. Besides, depending on the type and intensity of the land-based mitigation options, results also undermine the possibility to even turn the system into a net carbon sink. Undermine the possibility means reduce the possibility, so diminish is the answer. Okay. Now I have a para jumble which I will not attempt, which I will attempt at the end. So I'll mark it for review. Close test. Over his career, Thomas Edison dashed more US patents than anyone in this time. Dash more US patents. So Thomas Edison mimic, garnered, discerned, portable. Is not portable. Adjective mimic V1. Garnered means gathered. This is my answer. Then Edison profited from his patents, but he was also dashed to the dark side of the patent system. So he profited from the patents, but he was plus V3. Captivate, demolished, no. Anticipation, no. Exposed to the dark side, yes. He had to dash with lawsuits by other patentees who sought and sometimes won a piece of his success. So he had to fight with the lawsuits by other patentees. 2 plus V1. Content, yes. Elope, vicious. Adjective, scar and renounce, no. Next, while the patent system is designed to dash innovation like Edison's, it also hampers it. 2 plus V1. Loathe, no. Revel, no. Mirror, no. While, no. While the patent system is designed to dash innovation like Edison's, patent system designed to spur innovation like Edison's, which means encourage innovation like Edison's. Then I have too often, however, early inventors get a patent on a small and perhaps insignificant piece of the technological puzzle, yet their patent covers the entire puzzle. Inventors who solve dash parts of the puzzle may need to pay royalties to the patentee even if their contributions are large. Who solve dash parts, okay. Vagrant, oblige, verb, not at all. Subsequent, feeble and ravenous. So patent inventors who solve dash parts of the puzzle may need to pay royalties, so subsequent parts of the puzzle. Next, global demand for natural rubber will increasing, will plus V1, increase. The new space market is characterized by projects that are focused on R plus V3, focused. While most people will agree in principle that more environmental protection is better for the world, they usually hold different views on how to get there, THERE, there. City planners should be prepared to recognize and plan for the benefits that co-working spaces bring while minimizing negative impacts. During World War I, artists started using discarded objects. Am I correct? Started using discard objects to push back against. Yeah. Okay, so mark the inappropriate words. When they asked Zdanov if they should impair for armed revolt when they returned home, he did not answer. Impair means damage. No, this is wrong. It should be if they should fight for. Her chief legal constraint was that she had never been asked for permission for the adaptation nor paid any royalty. So this was her chief legal constraint. Constraint means limitation. So it should be chief legal complaint. To avoid the catastrophe of open warfare. Catastrophe, no. It should be catastrophe, noun. Joan asked for permission to travel with the army and wear protective armor, which was provided by the royal government. All are correct. He asked his disciples to adopt a vegetarian diet. He asked his followers, which means disciples. Word swapping. The government is developing innovative strategies to get people without insurance assist. To assist people without insurance get medical. Okay, the government is developing innovative strategies to assist people without insurance. Get medical. Okay, somehow it does not feel right. I'll mark it for review. Emergency funds are being mitigate. R being plus V3 should come. R being provided to help mitigate. So provided and mitigate should be interchanged. Political economy theory regards constitutions as coordination devices that prevent citizens to help rulers from abusing power. No interchange required. Okay. So at first I will attempt the RC, not the parajumble. So that is my comfort zone. So greenhouse gas emissions from agriculture, forestry. What is the question? Methane emissions are produced by which of the following? Greenhouse gas emissions from agriculture, forestry and other land uses covered the 24% of the global emissions, representing the to climate change. Methane emissions are produced by which of the following? Okay. The main drivers are carbon dioxide emissions from deforestation, methane emissions produced by ruminant livestock, and by anaerobic fermentation of organic matter. Okay, mainly from rice crops, and nitrous oxide emissions from fertilizer use. And okay, mainly from rice crops and nitrous oxide emissions from fertilizer use. Thus, the land sector plays a crucial role. So, fertilizer use, ruminant livestock, and anaerobic fermentation of organic matter. Yes, all 1, 2, and 3. Next, which of the following contributes more than 60% of the total agricultural emissions? 60% of the total agricultural emissions. Now, greenhouse gas emissions from, okay, this one is done. A new study led by CMCC Foundation explores that 60% contributes more than 60%. Okay, I have to search 60%. It is over here, second paragraph. So here is my answer. A new study led by the CMCC Foundation explores to which extent sustainable land management options applied to small scale rural landscape, okay, valuable for increasing the mitigation potential of the land sector. In particular, possible land based mitigation options are identified to reduce and offset CHG emissions from the livestock sector that represents one of the main sources of CHG emissions of the whole. Although CHG emissions from the livestock sector decreased, they still contribute to more than. So livestock is my answer. Next, which of the following are parts of CMCC's proposed land-based approach? Okay. The land sector, CMCC's, the new study led by CMCC explores to which extent? Okay, so one is in particular possible land-based mitigation options are identified to reduce and offset CHG emissions from the livestock. So assessment of the CHG emissions from the livestock activity, this is there. Then the land sector has the unique characteristic to be the same time both are contributed to climate change and part of the solution, thanks to the carbon sink function in soil and biomass that can be enhanced by appropriate and sustainable land management. So sustainable land management should be there. Okay, the CMC's approach, land-based approach, consists of 2 consecutive stages: assessment of the CHG emissions from the livestock activities, that is carbon footprint in a small-scale rural area, followed by evaluation of the mitigation potential. So mitigation potential means reducing potential of a set of land use options against livestock emissions assessed in the aim is to understand the extent of which land-based mitigation systems at small-scale landscape can lead to carbon natural livestock emissions. So 2 and 3. Next, which of the following methodologies were used to develop the CMC's land-based approach? CMC, so it is over here. CMC scientists developed a land-based approach by combining different methodologies, including geographical information system elaboration, life cycle assessment, and methodologies from Intergovernmental Panel on IPCC, LCA, and GIC. IPCC, LCA, and S, and GIS. So all ABC. So what did I do? I just read the first two sentences of each paragraph to identify where the answer is. Okay. In which of the following countries did the CMCC first test the land-based approach? Okay, so I have to search the name of a country. They tested the approach on a pilot area in central Italy, corresponding to a portion of the municipality. So central Italy, which means Italy, is the answer. Okay. Now we have the para jumble, and I have 9 minutes left still. Great. Now, this replacement process is normally driven by distant gravity forces as denser parts of the plate sink in. So let me bring my over here I can just note down. Okay, this replacement process, so it starts with this. So this is not our first sentence. The plates attached to North and South America are moving apart from those attached to Europe and Africa by 4 centimeters per year. So this is an independent sentence. Next is the mid-Atlantic ridge is a site where new plates are formed. Beneath this ridge, not an independent sentence. In between these continents, in between, so talks about 2 continents, and Q also talks about 2 continents. Okay, the plates attached to North and South America are moving apart from those attached to Europe and Africa. Okay, so this is my pair Q and T. In between these continents lies the mid-Atlantic ridge and a dividing line between plates moving to the west and those moving to the east. Beneath this ridge, material rises to replace the space left by the plates as they move apart. The mid-Atlantic ridge is a site where new plates are formed. Okay. Between plates moving to the site, okay, lies the mid-Atlantic ridge and a dividing line. And then R says the mid-Atlantic ridge is a site where new plates are formed. Yes, R should come after T. And then beneath this ridge, so S. Then this replacement process. So which replacement process? The beneath this ridge, material rises to replace the space. And P says this replacement process. So QTRSP. RSP, this is the answer. Which of the following would be the first statement after rearrangement? So Q is the first statement. Then what was it? It was T. Second is T, then R, then S, then P. R, then S, then we have P. Okay. So now only one question is left. So I have 5 minutes left now. I'll take this question. The government is developing innovative strategies to get people without insurance assist medical care. Without insurance, get medical care. Yes, get and assist should be interchanged. Okay, so I will not take any other section. I will just show you. I will submit this section. Okay, I still have some time left. This is the quant section. I will not take this. This is the reasoning section. I will submit the test directly. Okay. Solution. Okay. So, how much did I score? Let me show you that at first. Okay. Yes, SBI clerk. This is the one, analytics. So I have scored 27.5 out of 30. I did not take the tests of the other sections. So out of 30, I have scored 27.5 Okay, so if you look at the percentile of the English section, my percentile is 99.87. Okay, my rank is 42. I got 27.5. I answered 30 questions. So I answered 30 questions, but out of them some questions got incorrect. So now let's look at the solution. And let's see which questions became incorrect. So 2 questions I marked wrong. One is this: political economy theory regards constitution as coordination devices that prevent citizens to help. So what did I do? That helps citizens to prevent rulers from abusing. So that prevents citizens to help rulers from abusing power. Okay. And this one here, my answer was all 1, 2 and 3, but the answer should be 1 and 3, not the fertilizer use. Okay, so mainly from rice crops and nitrous oxide emissions from fertilizer use. So it was from fertilizer use, but actually it was anaerobic fermentation of organic matter. So I was confused in this option and I got it wrong. So this is how I attempted the paper. So what I did was I attempted all the questions before attempting the RC and the para jumble. At first I attempted the miscellaneous questions, then I went for the RC, and then I went for the para jumble. So I have scored 27.5 out of 30. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Why have I scored 27.5? So 2 questions went incorrect. Okay, yes, it is correct. 28 minus 1.25 minus 1.2 minus 0.25 minus 0.25, which means minus 0.5. Okay, yes. So that's it. I hope you guys have got some idea how to attempt the paper, right? So I will see you again in my next video. Bye.